Get ready because the tech world is exploding. We start with Gemini Intelligence minimum hardware requirements. We break down exactly what you need to power up your experience with this groundbreaking technology and why these specs matter for everyone diving into the AI revolution. A leap forward with 3.5 Flash, the power of Gemini Omni to create videos from any input, and how Gemini Spark is transforming into an active partner for your daily tasks. And finally, the developer conference is in full swing. Google I/O 2026 is kicking off with Gemini updates, signaling a massive push for agentic features, the potential Gemini 4, and the strategic rollout of open models like Gemma 4. Don't miss a second of this future. Stay tuned right here for the full breakdown. Thurrott has released the minimum hardware requirements for Gemini Intelligence. This information is crucial for users planning to utilize the Gemini Intelligence platform. While the provided content is brief, it directs interested parties to the Thurrott website for the full specifications. The announcement serves as a key resource for tech enthusiasts and developers looking to understand the necessary infrastructure for leveraging Gemini Intelligence capabilities. Thurrott is also encouraging readers to join their community by becoming a premium member to further engage with the tech community. Gemini Omni video generation capabilities have reportedly reached at least one user prior to the Google I/O 2026 event, according to leaks. The early evidence suggests Google is actively testing the limits of its video tools, particularly concerning consumption of paid user allowances. Robbie Payne, founder of Chrome Unboxed, observed the new prompts in a Gemini account, noting a new usage tab that transforms video generation into a measurable metric for users rather than just a marketing tool for Google. Google describes Gemini Omni as a tool for remixing videos, direct in-chat editing, and utilizing pre-made templates, positioning it as a more advanced editing workflow than a simple text-to-video generator. This raises critical questions about the actual workload users can complete before hitting usage limits. Leaked demonstrations provided insights into the model's quality. One prompt requested a scene of two men eating spaghetti at an upscale restaurant, while another involved a professor writing a mathematical proof on a chalkboard. These prompts are detailed enough to test the model's ability to render fine details, motion, synchronized action, lip movement, and legible writing, tasks that quickly reveal the true capability of a video model. Crucially, Robbie Payne reported that generating these two specific video prompts consumed 86% of the user's daily usage on an AI Pro plan. This usage figure is considered a significant indication that Gemini Omni may be subject to strict usage limitations from its inception, even for paying subscribers. While Google has consistently stated that video technology is a permanent fixture, the Gemini Omni leak appears to signal a strategic shift toward rationing video generation rather than offering unrestricted access. The immediate concern for professionals relying on Gemini for video work is whether Google will implement pricing structures or usage thresholds before the model is widely released at Google I/O 2026. Google has significantly accelerated its commitment to artificial intelligence, unveiling a suite of major updates across its Gemini model family at Google I/O 2026. The announcements center on powerful new models, advanced personal agents, and groundbreaking multimodal capabilities. The centerpiece of the announcement is the Gemini 3.5 model family, positioned by Google as a major leap forward in creating more capable and intelligent agents. Launching first is Gemini 3.5 Flash, designed for speed and efficiency. Google claims this model rivals flagship models across multiple dimensions, outperforming Gemini 3.1 Pro in coding and agentic benchmarks while leading in multimodal understanding. This speed and performance make 3.5 Flash ideal for long-horizon agentic tasks and deploying teams of subagents, promising richer web UIs and graphics. Gemini 3.5 Flash is immediately available in the Gemini app and Google Search AI mode, with Gemini 3.5 Pro slated for a launch next month. Moving into media generation, Google introduced Gemini Omni, a new multimodal model capable of generating polished video from any input. Unlike previous text-to-video models, Omni can synthesize video from a combination of images, audio, video, and text, grounded in Gemini's real-world knowledge. It boasts advanced physics understanding, including gravity and fluid dynamics, and allows users to edit generated videos using natural language while maintaining character consistency. Google is implementing safety measures, including a SynthID digital watermark, while cautiously testing capabilities like voice modification. To transform Gemini from a digital assistant into an active partner, Google introduced Gemini Spark. This agent is designed to perform real work on behalf of the user, operating in the cloud to handle tasks even when the user is offline. Initial integrations include Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, and Slides, with expansion planned for Canva, OpenTable, and in Instacart. The roadmap for Spark includes text and email interaction, custom subagent creation, and local browser operation, with beta access expected for Google AI Ultra subscribers next week. The Gemini application itself is receiving a substantial overhaul with the Neural Expressive Design refresh, featuring fluid animations, vibrant colors, and enhanced haptic feedback. Users will also benefit from the Gemini Live conversational experience, allowing for seamless, unconstrained conversation and real-time, tailored responses that incorporate imagery, graphics, and narrated videos instead of lengthy text. To enhance daily utility, Google is rolling out Daily Brief, an opt-in feature that uses Gemini to crawl inboxes, calendars, and connected apps to provide personalized daily briefings and actionable suggestions. This feature is available to AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers in the US. These aggressive updates underscore Google's strategy to compete fiercely in the AI landscape against rivals like Anthropic and OpenAI. The company reports significant growth, with monthly users climbing to over 900 million across more than 230 countries, signaling strong market traction for the Gemini ecosystem. Google I/O 2026, held in Mountain View on May 19th, centered entirely on the Gemini model family, signaling a major push in AI capabilities across the industry. The two-day developer conference emphasized upgrades to Gemini, focusing on enhanced reasoning, broader multimodal capabilities, and sophisticated agentic features designed to allow AI to execute tasks autonomously. The keynote presentation is anticipated to unveil Gemini 4, which is expected to feature deeper reasoning, significantly longer context windows, and the ability to process diverse inputs, text, images, video, and code, simultaneously. Central to Google's strategy is Gemini Intelligence, a suite of features being rolled out across Android systems. This initiative enables context-aware assistance, auto-browsing, and smart functionality that operates across the operating system rather than being confined to individual applications. Earlier previews indicated features like AI-generated widgets, suggesting the OS itself will dynamically create interface elements based on user needs. On the developer front, the conference introduced new APIs, SDKs, and crucial improvements to on-device runtimes. The emphasis on on-device processing allows more complex AI tasks to execute directly on consumer hardware, reducing reliance on centralized servers. Furthermore, Google Cloud showcased Race Condition, a multi-agent simulation platform that allows multiple AI agents to interact, compete, and coordinate, underscoring the industry shift toward agent frameworks where AI performs actions across various services. Google also reinforced its open-source commitment with the launch of Gemma 4, an open-weight model family optimized for advanced workflows. This dual strategy, proprietary Gemini at the forefront and open Gemma models below, mirrors the approach taken by competitors like Meta, validating the growing demand for high-performing open models essential for decentralized inference networks and on-chain model registries. The AI-crypto intersection remains a volatile narrative, with tokens tied to decentralized compute and AI agents experiencing rapid fluctuations, often driven by major tech announcements. However, Google's developments suggest a fundamental shift. Autonomous AI workflows are maturing into core infrastructure. While Google demonstrates advanced agent capabilities and edge computing, the current state of decentralized inference networks still faces significant hurdles regarding latency and capability gaps compared to what is being showcased on stage. Google's ability to deploy Gemini Intelligence across billions of Android devices highlights a path toward widespread, integrated AI functionality.